We are pleased to show you the 2027 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.